Oh wait. Hello gems, welcome back to my channel. It is day 6 of 26 days of Jawhara. Only 20 days left. 20 days, 20 days, 20 days, 20 days. But yeah, today it's not gonna really be a vlog because I don't know, I'm just gonna do tutorials. And if you see me in like this outfit later today or other videos, don't come for me because I'm about to just film a few videos, so just know it was on the same day. And the quote of the day today is Hebrews 11:6 in the NIV, and it says, "And without faith it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to him must believe that he exists and that he rewards those who earnestly seek him." So that just means you have to have faith and just believe in when you go try to talk to God or you want to have like a relationship, because faith is just, so if you want to please God, you just have to believe in him and have faith that he exists and that what he has done is actually true, and that'll please him, as well as you seeking him, going for him, looking for ways to get more connected to him and have a relationship. And the motivational quote of the day is, so the motivational quote of the day is pessimists seek difficulties. The pessimist sees difficulty and opportunity. Okay. So the pessimist sees a difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. And that is by Winston Churchill. So that just means be an optimist. Don't look at every situation, even if it may look bad at the beginning. Look at the good. There's always something good in every situation. There's always something bad, but always look at the good in a situation, because that'll keep you motivated. That'll keep you going. That'll be like, oh yeah, okay, I can do this. Like, you can do it. And that'll just get you through your day. Just take every day, day by day, and you'll be able to get through it. So, on to today's video. We are going to make smoothies. Like yesterday, y'all saw me, y'all saw me prep for my smoothies. It is frozen now, and yeah, so we're gonna go make these smoothies. And I have been slacking on these smoothies. I haven't done them, I think, since summer, probably the summer, and I'm supposed to be like doing it every day, but it just hasn't happened. So I finally got the fruit, I finally cut them up, and I finally froze them. So I'm very excited to get back on my health kick, and we're just gonna get this video on the road. So this is what the final product looks like. Frozen, yes. Section, yes. Beautiful. So we're gonna set this up right now, and then you gotta get your blueberries. And now we're going to get your OJ. You gotta get some juice. I like using orange juice or grapefruit juice. I actually haven't had grapefruit juice in the longest time ever, and I really need to get some more grapefruit juice. And I'm probably gonna just move my magic bullet over so it's more on the light. But yeah, so get some fruit. I don't use ice or anything, and yeah, I don't use ice or anything, but so I got my cup, I got my blade. I just use the fruit naturally when it's frozen, because that'll create the coldness, the thickness, the smoothness, and then the texture inside the smoothie. Because I like smoothies to like be smooth and kind of icy, but I don't like it if it's just like juice and like clumpy, and I don't like that. I like it to be a little thicker texture. So yeah, let's get this started.